Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty, and I've already pre-primed my eyelids and now we're just gonna do a random number generator picks my eyeshadows. And I'm gonna be using the Riviera Anastasia palette, so let's see what happens. And obviously this one, white one's 1 and this brown is 14. So I think I'm gonna pick between 3 and 4 shades, maybe 5, just depends on what I get. So let's see what happens. Okay, here's my generator. Let's push customize. Oh my gosh, it's so, okay, now you can see it. It's 14 and 14 is Palm. So my first color is Palm. I'm gonna write that down so I don't forget because I have a memory problem. So this one is Palm. The next color will be 8. So 8 is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I counting that right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Oh my gosh. Next color is Estate. Hopefully we get some fun colors in there. Next, I'm going to do 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is Inherence. All right, let's go ahead and do 5. 8. Did we do 8 already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, one more. So obviously the world wants me to only have 4. 13, and 13 is Canals. So this one, because that was 14, so that's obviously 13. So those are gonna be my 4 shadows that I am allowed to use in this palette. This is gonna be interesting. So let me exit out of this. Okay, so let's hop right into this. I think I am going to go ahead and take this flat brush. I'm only going to be doing my left side for now, and then I'll finish my makeup off camera. So we're going to be taking Estate first, which is this color right here. And I'm going to be placing this, I guess, as a blending shade maybe. I'm gonna sneeze. Why do I always feel like I'm gonna sneeze in the morning? I'm gonna place this kind of all over my lid. Like so. Next, I'm gonna do a Palm Inheritance. I'm gonna do Palm. Palm is the dark brown. And I'm gonna be taking this on the flat brush, and I'm gonna just be hitting this diagonal on my eye. Alright, now I'm gonna be taking my blending brush and I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna blend this into my corner here. Do. Kind of blend it where it goes into the crease a little bit. Okay, and next I'm gonna go in with canes, or canals, I mean. I keep calling it canes. Sorry, it's canals. And I'm gonna actually tap this on the tip of the brush. I'm gonna be putting this in my crease. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna put it on my upper eyelid a little bit, just to try to make this color show up on my lid. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the blending brush and I'm gonna be blending that out into Estate, because remember I have Estate right there. So we're gonna just lightly blend away. It's like I don't know. I'm gonna go back in on the fluffy brush a little bit with Palm. I'm gonna touch up that brown right here because it looks like it got kind of covered by the purple a bit. My bad. And that's also gonna deepen up this outer corner. Okay. This looks okay. It's not my best creation, but like I said, I didn't pick these colors. They picked me. Which I'm kind of surprised because I got purple and I'm wearing a purple shirt. So I was like, ooh, okay, I can work with that. I'm gonna go back in with Estate now on the fluffy brush, and I'm gonna make sure I'm getting my brow bone right here and just making sure there's no harsh lines. And then going back in with canals on this fluffy brush and just, I guess, playing it here. Just making sure that's very well blended and not forgotten. So far, that is my eye look. My last color is Inherent, and I'm going to be taking the flat brush for this. And I'm going to just be popping this on right in here. Wipe any fallout. And now I'm going to go back in with Palm again because I just feel like Palm isn't showing up after I put that purple on. And I really want it in this outer corner. So blend that away. Okay. So I am trying to blend it. It's just kind of blended perfectly into the purple, creating a darker shade of purple. So I'm just going to leave it. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. And I'm going to pop that on. And that's Alright, so that is my eye look. I'm going to clean it up and I'll be right back, and I'm also going to do this side, so see you in a second. Hi you guys, so I just finished doing my randomized eyeshadow look, and I did finish this side, and I finished doing my rest of my full face makeup, and this is our look we got, and I'm loving it. I feel bad because the brown didn't like show up as much. It blended very well into the purple and made it a deeper purple. But yeah, other than that, I'm loving this look. And if you guys want to see me do another randomized makeup look with numbers, just leave a like and a comment below. You see what palettes I have in my past videos, so if there's a specific palette you want me to do, let me know and I'll try to do it. All right, thanks. Bye.